Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find and recover deleted item on Android phone. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the My Files. Scroll down and you can find trash item. Click on it and you can see all your deleted item here. Picture, video, game, music, everything. Select it. If you want deleted, click on delete all. Or if you want restore, click on restore all. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.